Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to copper plate metal. First, gather your essential materials, including a copper anode, a power supply, and an electrolyte solution. Next, thoroughly clean your metal object. This crucial step ensures proper adhesion of the copper layer. Degrease the surface using a suitable cleaner to remove any oils or contaminants. Finally, rinse the object completely with distilled water after cleaning and degreasing for optimal results. Now let's assemble the plating setup. Prepare your electrolyte solution, which commonly uses copper sulfate and a small amount of sulfuric acid. Connect the positive terminal of your power supply to a copper anode, which will supply the copper ions. Then, attach the negative terminal to your cleaned metal object. This will be your cathode. Carefully submerge both the anode and cathode into the electrolyte solution, ensuring they do not touch each other. With your setup ready, it's time to initiate the copper deposition. Apply a low voltage, typically between 0.5 and 2 volts, to begin the plating process. Monitor the current, aiming for about 0.1 to 0.5 amps per square inch for best results. Allow the plating to continue for 30 minutes to several hours, depending on your desired thickness. Observe the object for even copper deposition and adjust the voltage if needed. After achieving your desired copper layer, carefully remove the plated object from the solution and rinse it thoroughly with water. You can then gently polish the copper surface to achieve a beautiful shine and finish. Remember, safety is paramount. Always wear appropriate personal protective equipment, including gloves and eye protection, when handling chemicals. Additionally, ensure good ventilation in your workspace to avoid inhaling any fumes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.